binding contract with each other, in the presence of your witness, your family, all your friends gathered here to die. And this day is the start of a new life for you together, and we all hope that the feelings of love that you have for each other will deepen and grow ever stronger throughout the years to come. And let the world recognise that you are now husband and
It's a bit, wasn't it?
Oh, any excuse.
Well, they got the sun, the road, just stuff, yeah. Thank you.